I noticed all of these water sprouts, some people from the ground call them suckers, on this dogwood. Now, this is a Chinese dogwood, and it's one of the dogwoods that is resistant to our native dogwood diseases like anthracnose. Usually, this dogwood doesn't have any problems, but I noticed all of these suckers coming from the base. And that sort of is telling me that this dogwood is under stress. So I further looked at this dogwood and inspected it. And what I did find, and this can hurt quite a few trees, Japanese maples, cherry trees, when you prune some of the side branches, you don't leave stubs. There is no way for the dogwood to heal over stubs. Dogwoods have a natural branch collar, which is easy to see. So when you prune this, you don't do a flush cut, but you do a prune cut right to the natural branch collar. And what happens then is that natural branch collar can easily heal over all the branches that you removed and cut. So what I have to do is remove all of these suckers or water sprouts, because what's happening is all of the energy. I mean, the tree has roots that are going out maybe 10, 15 feet. It gets all of that water, all of the nutrients, but all of those nutrients are going into these sprouts and not into the upper part of the tree. And I'm looking here, I can see branches which have died back. So this branch here it's completely dead. It's died back. And my dad works really hard in the garden all the time, but sometimes he's quick at what he does. And so he left some stubs, which I'm going to have to show him. Take your time pruning, be careful. But he left some stubs that didn't heal over, and this branch died. This branch died. This branch has died. And as these branches die, sometimes it works into the main frame of the trunk. And this branch died right here. So what I'm going to do is show you how to prune, and I'm going to prune out these suckers. I'm going to go ahead and start removing these suckers. And it may take a while, but I'm going to come right in here, and you can see right where the point of the shears is a natural branch collar. You don't want to cut right in here. You don't want to cut close. They call that a flush cut, where you cut against the trunk. I'm going to leave a little bit, so I'm going to come right in here, and I'm going to cut right outside that branch collar, and I'm going to work on the entire tree. I'm even going to come up in here and prune some of these dead branches. That one was dead. This one here is alive. And I'm going to work all the way down. And also, I have this, which is for heavy duty cuts. So I'm just going to work here and start removing these natural branch, or right outside the natural branch collars. And I might need this. This pruning is healthier for the tree. Look at the beautiful exfoliating bark. You can notice it now. Join me next time in the garden.
Email your garden questions to Viette